Welcome to Spanish Now. Bienvenidos a Español Ahora. Lesson 1. Basic greetings and introductions. Number 1. Introduction to Spanish pronunciation. Now in Spanish. Ahora en español. Lección 1. Saludos e introducciones básicas. Número 1. Introducción a la pronunciación en español. I want you to pay attention to these similarities in English and Spanish, like the word basic and the word básicas in Spanish, the word introductions, introducciones, that's plural. This is singular. Introduction would be introducción. Pronunciation would be pronunciación. Pronunciación. Okay, let's begin. With the vowels. In Spanish, there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A is like father. E, like met. E, like see. O, like more. U, like moon. A, E, I, O, U. Few consonants. Just to begin, the H is silent. For example, in hola is pronounced just hola. It doesn't sound. The H is a consonant, is silent most of the times. 99%. We'll teach you later when it's going to have a sound. The J is pronounced like the English H in Jose. Jose. But I'm going to give you a tip right here. That's the easy pronunciation. Jose. The real pronunciation is like you are going to make a cat sound like that's the real J in Mexico, and Spanish from Mexico. But try to not to do it too hard like is soft. Jose. Jose. And this little line is accent. Jose. Okay, Jose. The double L is not llama, is llama, llama. That's the pronunciation. So pay attention to these 3 just to begin. H, silent. J, like cat. And double L is llama. Okay? Now basic greetings. Hola, hello, buenos días, good morning, buenas tardes, good afternoon, buenas noches, good evening, or good night. Hola, hola, okay. Hola, hello. Buenos días, buenos días, buenos días, good morning. Right here, this line is accent. It's called an accent. Días, días, buenos días. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Now for the letter R, that is in buenas tardes. Tardes. Be careful not to say tardes. No. The way to do it is this. This orange arrow is the airflow. Okay. This red line is the tongue. And the palate, you will put the tip of the tongue right there before or behind the teeth. And that's the tongue, okay? And you're going to direct the airflow to the tip of the tongue. And press it not too hard, and you have to practice and do this. You can do it with just air and try, as I say, to direct the airflow to that point, where is the orange and red. Then you make the sound. That's the way to practice, okay? And okay, let's continue with basic greetings. Hola, hello. Hola, hello. Buenos días. Good morning. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. Good evening, good night. Buenas noches. You can say it when the sunset is, or when the moon is right there. Now introducing yourself. Number 3. Número 3. ¿Cómo te llamas? Remember, no, it is not llamas. Llamas. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? You can also practice, the way to say it, an emotion like, hey, ¿cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? There are different ways to ask. ¿Cómo te llamas? Very serious. ¿Cómo te llamas? Or very friendly. ¿Cómo te llamas? You see, you can also apply that in Spanish. That means, what's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? And you can say, me llamo, then your name. Me llamo Amanda, me llamo John, me llamo Michael. Remember, you don't translate the names. You don't have to translate your name. You say the way you say it in your language. And my name, me llamo, that means my name is. And when that's another phrase, mucho gusto. Right here, you see an H. It changed the sound. Now it has a sound. Remember that I told you at the beginning, when you find CH, you will say like ch, mucho. So this phrase or this syllable CHO is cho. Mucho. It's almost like a show, but you have to put your tongue a little bit up, close to the palate, and press it. Mucho gusto. That means nice to meet you. Mucho gusto, nice to meet you. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? Soy de México. I'm from Mexico. Soy de Argentina. Soy de Estados Unidos. That's United States. Estados Unidos. Soy de Canadá. Soy de Francia. Okay, I'm from France. Well, now let's continue with basic polite phrases. Por favor. Por favor. Now you know how to say the R. I already told you. Por favor. Por favor. Please. Por favor. Please. Gracias. Try not to say gracias. Gracias. I've heard that in English-speaking people trying to say gracias and they say gracias. No. This is like S. The letter C is like S. Gracias. Gracias. It sounds the same as the S. It's gracias. That means thank you. De nada. Try not to put the tip of the tongue before or behind the T to say de nada. De nada. No. You have to put like TH, the. Like TH. De nada. De nada. You're welcome. De nada. You're welcome. Lo siento. Lo siento. I'm sorry. Lo siento. I'm sorry. Sí. Yes. No. Is no. Okay? Now let's have a practice dialogue. The person A, it says, Hola. ¿Cómo te llamas? Person B, me llamo Ana. ¿Y tú? El person A, me llamo Carlos. Mucho gusto. B, mucho gusto. ¿De dónde eres? A, soy de México. ¿Y tú? B, soy de España. Okay, I want you to tell you something about the X. In Mexico, you pronounce it like J, like Mexican J, like remember the cat sound? That's the way to pronounce Mexico, Mexico, Mexico with the accent in the letter E, Mexico. ¿Y tú? Okay, and this N with this little line, you have to pronounce like Nia, España. Easy way to pronounce. España, España. We say España, España. Ña, España, España, ña. Okay? That's the way to pronounce in Spanish, España. In Mexico is this X is like J, Mexican J, or Spanish J. There are different pronunciation in between Mexico and Spain, so you will learn later. Okay, this is your homework. Practice pronouncing the vowels and greetings. Write a short dialogue using the phrases from this lesson and record yourself, saying the greetings and introductions, and listen to improve your pronunciation. I recommend you, if you can, write everything, all the lesson, write it down and practice it. That's going to help a lot. Well, I'm giving you 5 ways to say goodbye. One is adiós, adiós. That is goodbye. Hasta luego. See you later. Nos vemos. See you. Nos vemos. Ciao. Some people use it like Italian, no? Ciao. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. See you tomorrow. Okay, amigos. Hasta mañana o hasta la vista. Hasta luego. Adiós.